Today I will talk about how you can leverage your skills as a software developer. So for the many people who are watching, you are working as a software developer or you are striving to become a software developer. I gotta tell you, the grass is not that green on the other side, even though if you work in a low carriage work, maybe you're working with grocery shopping, other kind of things. It is not a happy life just because you are a software developer. But myself, I am a software developer. I took the path of becoming a software developer, and I'm going to share you some tips about how you can strive to improve your perfection as a software developer. So many people that like to work put their mind into their work when they work, and it's no difference between doing laundry or other type of works. Because if you put your mind into it and you work at it at a strong pace, you'll feel more encouraged to work more. This is a fact because we tend to want people to acknowledge us for the work we are doing. And when we know that we are doing great work, then we know that we are acknowledged automatically by ourselves. So we don't need external acknowledgement from other people. So when you take this type of, what do you call it? I don't say mentality, but when you take this into software development and day-to-day work, then by working in a way where you want to feel encouraged to continue, that's when you enjoy your work the most, instead of just sitting there and become lazy and hope the day is over. So the key here is work-life balance, as a lot of people talk about these days. But it's also about what you want to get out of the work you are performing. If it's about the money, then software development might not be for you, because it's time consuming. It's take a lot of time to work at it and to become better and better and better. So most of the videos you see here on YouTube about that you can become Superman just by becoming a software developer, it's not true, because it usually takes all your heart and effort for doing that, and in the end you just lose everything. You can look at a lot of people who have done that path, and they ended up losing friends and family, maybe girlfriends, and etc. Because you put too much mind into the work. As I say, if the key here is only to get money, how are you going to spend it on other people? Because you will just be sitting at the office and working. So I think the key is actually balance. That's why I have free one time a week. Every single week I do something else than just sitting at the computer and doing programming. You can find your niche. I like to go out and talk to people about the society that we live in right now, and see their reaction when I tell them the different things about why people are so affectionate into money and wanting to become popular and all those kind of things today. So you gotta find your niche, but I mean, in terms of the balance here, it's having one day. It's been really good for me doing that for exercising and stuff like that. Because the society today has turned a lot into work mentality. You can look at a lot of people. Andrew Tate's really popular, talks about work mentality. That's the only thing that will get you happiness. It's not true at all. Look at where he is now. Now he's in prison. And by having that kind of attitude, you will also get people away from you. They don't want to hang around with you because you only focus about money and work. So in the next video, I will wrap it up and talk about the key balance to how you can work with different type of skill sets as a software developer when you are at the keyboard, how you can become more proficient and just do your job at a better level. And I'm going to include some of the newest tools out there that have become really popular, and I will tell you how you can use that with a grain of salt, of course, but how we can use it to become more proficient.